Hey, what's up, gamers? And welcome back to the ARITech channel. We all know the best gaming laptops do way more than just let you take your favorite PC titles on the road. They're all about high refresh displays, a killer selection of ports, comfy and responsive keyboards, and thermal control that stops throttling dead in its tracks. It's easy to get blinded by the super high-end rigs, so today we're focusing on the real players, where value for money meets pure power. We've compiled a list of the absolute best gaming laptops out right now, grouped by what they bring to the battlefield. Every product mentioned is linked in the description below, so if you're ready to dive into the specs, let's gank this list. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2024 is our pick for the best luxury gaming laptop you can buy. This year, the G16 got a serious glow-up, putting its style right up there with heavy hitters like the MacBook Pro and the Razer Blade. It's rocking an all-aluminum chassis that just oozes high-end quality, feeling way sleeker than previous models. They even ditched the super gamma-ray lighting on the lid for a much more reserved, sophisticated light bar. Under the hood, you're getting the latest and greatest. Intel Core Ultra chips paired with a range of NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, all the way up to the RTX 4090. We pushed the 4090 version and crushed over 90 FPS at ultra settings in FHD, and it even managed a respectable 40 FPS with ray tracing enabled. To match the stylish design, the G16 now features a stunning 16-inch, 240Hz QHD plus OLED panel. The visuals are truly next level, delivering incredible immersion and color for grinding out games, creating content, or just chilling with a movie. The Razer Blade 16 2024 just got a major performance boost with a new 240Hz OLED screen, making it the first Razer portable to combine such high-speed performance with that signature OLED vibrancy. Razer kept the signature super stylish design. The matte black anodized aluminum shell still turns heads more than most rivals. Crucially, they don't overdo the RGB, so this rig looks just as good at the LAN party as it does in your office. Performance is fantastic, with configurations featuring the lightning-fast Intel Core i9-1-4900HX and NVIDIA RTX 4090. We saw Cyberpunk 2077 run at QHD resolution with an impressive 87 frames per second, even though it's one of the most demanding titles out there. While it might not be the single most powerful or the most portable machine on this list, if you care about looks and speed equally, the Razer Blade 16 is the best play for you. When portability takes a backseat to pure, unadulterated screen size and power. 18-inch models have been a huge trend this year, and the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2024 is the alpha predator. This is our choice for the top 18-inch gaming laptop on the market. The absolute superstar here is the massive 18-inch Mini LED QHD plus 240Hz panel. Yes, it's huge, and yes, it sacrifices some portability, but what you gain is an unrivaled level of immersion from a clamshell machine. Whether you're in the middle of a raid or crushing a creative project, it looks absolutely breathtaking. A beast this size can pack some serious muscle. You'll find Intel's gaming-focused 14th Gen Intel Core i9 chip alongside the top-tier RTX 4090 graphics option. We smashed beyond 120 FPS in AAA titles and hit over 170 FPS in competitive games at FHD Ultra settings, proving this enormous machine is an undeniable powerhouse. The name says it all. This laptop is a beast. The Medion Erazer Beast X40 is seriously impressive, mostly because of the sheer value it brings to the table. It's not the cheapest laptop on the market, but it offers supreme, high-end power at a noticeably lower price than most of its rivals. Most importantly, the performance is genuinely jaw-dropping. This model features the RTX 4090, NVIDIA's top laptop GPU, and it does not disappoint. You'll easily hit above 60 FPS in QHD for demanding AAA games, often much higher, even with all settings maxed out, including ray tracing. For esports titles like Apex Legends, you'll stretch up to an incredible 220 frames per second. While you won't find a mini LED panel here, the IPS panel is bright, speedy, and vibrant, and our tests showed great color accuracy. The Beast X40 has a fairly unassuming look, and the materials don't scream luxury, but you're not buying this laptop for its looks. You're buying it to dominate the leaderboard. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 2024 is our definitive pick for the best gaming laptop you can buy right now. It earned a 5-star rating from us thanks to its remarkable balance of power, luxury, and portability. Since its debut, the G14 has always been a killer machine, often delivering amazing value. This year, they've pivoted to deliver enhanced value at a slightly higher price point, and it's paid off huge. With a more stylish design and upgraded speakers, the G14 now goes toe-to-toe with the 14-inch MacBook Pro in almost every area, with the massive advantage of offering high-level gaming that the Mac just can't touch. The power for a machine its size is stunningly impressive. While Cyberpunk 2077 at QHD Ultra settings was a tough test, we found it regularly capable of hitting 60 FPS at QHD Ultra in most titles. And you can take full advantage of the 120 Hz panel at FHD Ultra settings. This machine truly sets the new standard for compact gaming rigs. I've done my best to give you accurate info and the best options on the market right now so you can pick the perfect weapon for your arsenal. What part of this lineup are you most excited to cover? Maybe a deep dive into the OLED screen tech or a breakdown of the 4090's performance? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Airy Tech. Thanks for watching.